Hello everyone, and today I'm gonna sing a cover song. That is from Mijo. It's a song name is Kwanura Lodi. It was very quite famous and it was quite popular, and everybody knows about that songs. I think not just only in Nagaland, but it's the northeastern parts of the our region. No, it was the song was very popular, so everybody loves to sing that song. Even I'm not from Mizo, I cannot pronounce correctly the tune and the pronunciation and everything, but still I love doing this cover. So just give it a try, and this is my first time that I'm recorded, and it's through from my friend channel. So we love itu gana to over popular takisina like Nagaland ti hobby and like Mohala Northeast region de itu lagana to man popular takise to Mizo lagana se originally do will be ene kushi pai na just kipo for time ene cover kuru in any time pass to Mizo lagana se will be pronunciation tahan is na exactly to kurle na paro de kile mane tahala kotha alag aro tune khan alag na will be ene try kuru tahala kinika singer ro kushi exactly to na paro will be na ini try kuri siya tahala gana na ito cover song ito Kwanura Lodi ang gana lang title to ito. So suru kuri wo. Let's start. Tim lại thêm thu đi cả đốm la sang mẹ la su atrasia se sia la duai sia mani ma se boy kwanu roadre kanu si lo boy ye di nung run Kwanura Lodi mong lâu đồn anang ye ko sia si lung ya rem thế se im đón sia ma set môi nang men doa boy te rem si lo ani ending môi ka di ka gan ka don di ka tan kya na lo di why too late mai tu ran zong kapal pe lo kapal mo lo leng dang tua na parang bur mai tu Kwanura Lodi mo ka lo don anang ye ko sia si lung ya rem thế se im don sia ma set môi nang lên doa boy te rem si lo ani Engan sut le turan dia tu nin lo lai amadeng don sia la ka chang ve tu hi ana ye ni tuan na zong ma la liam tu hi Kwanura Lodi mo ka lo don anang ye ko sia si lung ya rem te se im don sia ma set môi nang lên doa boy te rem si lo ani Kwanura Lodi mo ka lo don Anang ye to sia silung yang rem thei se Indonesia ma set môi nang lên doa ôi tê rem lâu anh Yes, done.